That is danger, danger, danger. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to install the MIP Driveshafts onto my Axial Wraith spawn. This is part number 11116 MIP Spline CVD Center Drive Kit. Axial Wraith, it's saying $75, but I paid like $45 maybe. Made in the USA, very cool. So inside the kit we have some directions. We have the drive shafts themselves, which feel really nice. Nice and heavy, they feel really good. There is some hardware, and there is the most dangerous product ever known to man. In a little cup. I don't know, it looks like grease to me. And we got some stickers. Always like stickers. So this is a one-for-one swap. Just going to take out these plastic, these are the Wild Boar, I believe, drive shafts. I'm going to take these out, and I'll replace them with the new ones. So it's a pretty easy swap over. So let's see how it goes. I guess I'll put some music on. Alright guys, so that's it. The drive shafts are on, and they're looking pretty good. On the ends, they do have two different sizes. One has like a little stub, the other one has a longer piece that goes in. The longer piece will definitely have to go up front here to clear this transmission cover. I don't know if the other ones matter so much, but I don't know, maybe they do. But they're going to stay like this. I'll see how it performs. If I have any issues, then I'll adjust as need be. It does recommend that you use some of the provided grease to put onto the shaft, but I did not do that, nor did I use thread locker. Really just wanted to get these on, see how they fit before I used any thread locker, but the screws actually held down pretty nicely, so I'm really sure how much I'm going to need thread locker. And instead of using grease on the drive shaft, I'm going to use this Mousse Slick. It's an RC silicone protectant. It just doesn't, gather up all the dirt and dust and everything else. Because the last thing I want to do is have a crunchy drive shaft. This stuff is great, just sprays on. Just got to watch yourself because it is highly flammable. Danger. Alright guys, so we're looking good. A few things I want to get done to this. I want to get the battery tray, get that relocated up front. And then I'm probably going to move the ESC to the back. And I don't know. We'll see where things go from there. But I do have the regular Wraith full interior. So I don't have any play underneath of the interior. So get the battery up front, move some electronics around back. And I don't know, maybe I'll shoot it, maybe I won't, but that's probably what's next for this. Free mods, gotta love them. Alright guys, so that's about it for this one. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.